Hi, welcome back to my channel. So approx 5 months are left for CS Executive June attempt or CS Professional June attempt. So I'm here to help you all out with these methods that how you can really revise any big chapter in just 5 minutes. Yeah, so I'm here to just giving you all some really effective method that how you can revise any chapter like LODR, like ICDR, big chapters को आप कैसे within 5 minutes revise कर सकते हो. The first method is index mapping. So what is index mapping is all about? Let me show you. See, this is called index mapping. So there is a chapter called FCRA in the module of EBCL. So how to make this? Like there is a definition of FCRA. So what I'll do is I'll make sure that whatever I have written here in a very short form I'll write everything. Like in the definition I'll write company, associate or body of individual incorporate outside India. It indicates all the things related to this definition in this chapter. So this is how you also make any chapter much easier by your relevance. And the second one is mind mapping. So what is mind mapping is all about? Let me show you all quickly. This is called mind mapping method. So how to make this? So there is a chapter called FDI regulation and policy in EBCL, which is economic, business and commercial laws in CS Executive Module 2. So what I can do is I have written the main topic in the center and create many branches which is a subtopic of that chapter, like types of ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ शेयर्स, इशू प्राइस एंड शेयर्स एंड जितने भी उसके सब टॉपिक्स हैं एंड सब टॉपिक्स के टॉपिक्स आई हैव रिटन हियर इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट फॉर्म. सो वंस you look at this, you are able to revise any big chapter in just 5 minutes. So how can you use these methods in an effective manner? Number one, read all your mind mapping and index mapping once in a week or twice in a week. In every week you should give a read to them, and within a month you realize that you are able to recall all the big chapters by just seeing into them. So if you have any doubts related CS or related these methods, you can comment down below, and which method you like more, please comment down below. And if you like these types of video, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Stay tuned guys.